involved with that particular podcast?
I was, yeah, I'm a big part of it. So we did weeks of research and talked to a lot of researchers and scientists at all of our local universities. And it just kind of talks about and connects our recent extreme weather events and see what we can connect to climate change, what we may see later down the future. And I think it's going to surprise a lot of folks, too, of what we found. So go take a listen. It is a long one, 50 minutes. Of pure science. So
well, I mean,
fun.
It's good to listen to science. And yeah, there's definitely something going on because it's just been some odd weather the past several years. And it feels kind of summery out there. I know we're still technically in summer right now.
We have until about the 20th or so until we change over seasons. And today it's a very summery start. A lot of kids are heading back to school today in a very summery afternoon. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s. We'll see the mid 80s again today. So heating up as we head into our second half of the day. Look at the coast too, upper 60s to about 70. So it's warm out there across the board. We're seeing a lot of that smoke shifting out of Portland now. But as you look towards the east, Mount Hood is covered in smoke here. And Central Oregon, same for Southern Oregon, one of the spots or one of the many spots here still shrouded in smoke and seeing unhealthy air quality as that thicker smoke continues to sit and blow towards areas near Bend and Madras down to Sisters and Lapine. So that area again will likely still see smoke even into Thursday or Friday, but Portland will continue to push out a lot of that smoke. Areas in Marion and Clackamas County in the foothills here, Detroit, Mill City, Gates will be areas that still likely get a little bit of that dense smoke at least through today. Here's our surface smoke forecast. As we head our way into our afternoon, we continue to push that smoke out the door. We have onshore winds. Those are winds coming off the ocean from the west, and that helps to drive out that smoke. What it does, though, is it puts it over the Cascades and on the eastern sides of the Cascades. So even though we're clearing out in Portland and around the valley, we'll likely still see that smoke sitting out in central and eastern Oregon at least through tomorrow. Look at that big mass of smoke right near Medford and Klamath Falls and spanning areas of central Oregon. A quick look at our rainfall futurecast. Many folks probably missed it, but overnight we did see a quick weather system that rolled in and brought some very light sprinkles around the coast and in Portland. We did see mainly sunny skies to start, and again, we'll see a beautiful afternoon. A few clouds may roll in, maybe partly cloudy by the evening time today, but still a beautiful afternoon with dry weather here. Going into Thursday, we'll see a mostly cloudy day, a mix of some sun breaks too, and temperatures starting to cool. We're introducing a little bit of moisture, so on the east sides of the state, a chance we start to see some thunderstorms revving up both Thursday afternoon and Friday morning. And early in the morning on Friday, it looks fairly active. We could see some nocturnal thunderstorms, and that could pose fire danger and added threat to wildfires as we get some lightning from these storms. So just look at how active it is, even going into our later morning and afternoon on Friday, too. So elevated fire danger both Thursday and Friday. We may see abundant lightning from storms rolling on in for the central and northeastern parts of the state. A quick look at the forecast today. The coast will top off near the 70s from Tillamook to Astoria. We'll see some patchy fog. There is some out there now at Seaside, also down in Lincoln City. Much cooler there as well in the upper 50s today. Still some summer heat around the valley. Mid 80s to upper 80s out to Salem and McMinnville. Some areas will really warm up here as we push out that haze. The clouds stay at bay here and we see that sun continuing to shine down. So expect to see some heat as we head into our afternoon. Hazy with poor air quality out to central Oregon in the 90s today. The Dow's low to mid 90s. Hazy skies out there. Here's our 7-day forecast. We do start to cool down. We'll see a stronger westerly flow. Our high pressure starts to break a little. So we will see some more pleasant and dry weather here heading into Friday and the weekend. So make some outdoor plans. Conditions are looking fairly nice in the upper 70s. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.